Hi friends, today we are going to learn strokes which are very much important for capital letters, small letters, capital B cursive letters and small cursive letters. So let us start with the strokes. Okay, you can this is we are going to do a small zigzag which you are going to do in the blue line. You can see this blue line, zigzag, 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 long pattern where you can go on continuous doing zigzag, zigzag, zigzags for your child. If you have a dotted line such books, you can practice these strokes on those dotted lines. We have first another zigzag pattern is there from blue line touching the red line, coming down again, going up down, big zigzag. Such type of zigzags help in writing capital letters. Okay, we have done with the zigzag up down up down up down up down up down. Now another pattern is that N pattern. See, N pattern, which is we are going to do inside the blue line. These strokes help in writing cursive letters. Up N pattern. See, curve, small curve pattern, small curve pattern only touching the blue line. Another big curve patterns, see, touching the red line, again coming down, touching the blue line, red line, coming down, touching red line, blue line, red line, then coming down, again touching red line, big curves. This is a long patterns. Another curve pattern, like, see, bending downwards but little bit twisting. This you can see, blue line के अंदर जो ऐसा twist बना हो रहा है, you can see only inside the blue line. ये blue line के अंदर ही हो रहा है, blue line के ऊपर ये twist हमारा जा नहीं रहा है. Okay, now same we have to do from up to down, same pattern, twisting up to down, long pattern, up down. This helps in cursive letters, capital letters, small ABCD letters. Slanting line S, another pattern, slanting line, doing S, slanting line, then do S again, slanting line, do S, slanting line, do S, slanting line, do S, slanting line, do S. This pattern. Next stroke we can do, that is C. Capital C जैसा touching red line, then coming make a curve and touch the blue line. Another C, small c. Another stroke is normal C. This stroke can this stroke is more useful for C. Slanting line will curve और C बनाया. Slanting line little bit curve and then do C. Slanting line curve C. Slanting line curve C. This stroke is more useful for doing writing cursive A. Now other strokes we are going to learn, like another ulta C. You can see this, another ulta C only inside the blue line. Then another big C, capital C, ulta capital C, opposite touching starting from the red line to the blue line. Then standing line from up it's going down, from red line it is going down, red line से नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है, रेड लाइन के नीचे तरफ ब्लू लाइन को टच कर रहा है. फ्रॉम रेड लाइन टू ब्लू लाइन, अगेन फ्रॉम अप टू डाउन इट इज गोइंग. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, देन अनदर स्टैंडिंग लाइन फ्रॉम डाउन टू अप इट इज टचिंग द रेड लाइन. नीले लाइन से रेड लाइन को टच कर रहा है. फ्रॉम डाउन टू अप टचिंग द रेड लाइन, गोइंग अपवर्ड्स, सी लाइक दिस, अपवर्ड की तरफ जा रहा है. Standing line, another slanting line, bending towards the right, starting from red line touching the blue line. Another slanting line from bending towards the left, starting from the red line and touching the blue line, again starting from the red line touching the blue line, slanting line. इसको slanting line बोलते हैं, ये stroke को slanting line बोलते हैं. Another line slipping line, from right to left की तरफ जा रहा है, only on the blue line. Slipping line from right it is moving towards the from left it is moving towards the right. Another slipping line from right it is moving towards the, so from left it is moving towards the right, मतलब right की तरफ जा रहा है slipping line. See arrow like this, it is moving towards the right side, only on the blue line we are going writing on the blue line. See one more time, blue line, it is moving towards the right, right की तरफ. You can say one more, you can take arrow towards the left side, लेफ़्ट. लेकिन हमको ये एरो नहीं बनाना, ऐसा एरो नहीं बना रहा, मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पर. आई एम शोइंग यू ओनली टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड. सी वन मोर टाइम आई एम शोइंग यू द लाइन मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड. These strokes, if are practiced by the nursery kids, they will become more expert and the pencil will move faster and they will learn stroke faster.